Wow. Woohoo, the sea is so angry. Very angry sea. There. Now we will go now. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. We're going home. Go now. We'll go back to the place and we'll go there. Aray. Okay. So we'll go home. It's very windy, still windy, and the sea is like very angry.
The sea.
Yeah.
Like very
Angry, the sea is angry. That's why we're going home, because it's high tide. Oh, it's still windy. Yay! Why? What did you eat? Paabot man maritakwan. Ay.
Mari pagkalati ko na sa ed.
Ay.
Lumas.
Op,
Baka
thank you. Because
may parang isinilas mo.
oh, kasta.
Sakit dito na yung kasagati.
Aya, okay. Okay, Mare.
Kawaya, mali. Alma.
Ay, wala na ako natin natibker. See, careful of the steps. Hi. Careful of the steps. We will go back to the place. This is my Mari. Ay, nako. Ang sarap talaga. Parang minsan maging bata. Natanggal ang natanggal ang stress ni Mariette. Okay, we'll go. Ay,
Mari, kung nagsubli ka man yung nagilian habang nilakay mo. Ayan. Abyan pa yun. Wala na? Wala na. Wala kinagbakan. Kita sa tao kami lang.
kapay ngay, ado sa tikot pa tayo yan ng gakwa.
Rap-rap.
Oo. Ano na ita? Ay.
Ganda niya ati. Walang pagkain. Agad ka na ba?
Yan baka patag gumatang pagkatangan tikwa. Chicha corn. Ay, it's very windy.